Done that. I ain't gonna lie, they low-key got me wasted.
Exactly. No, you got yourself wasted.
I didn't get myself. They was offering me shots.
And you were offered?
They was offering me shots.
Offer?
Attention.
There you go.
Happy birthday to my pops, man.
Yeah.
To know
Oh,
him,
yeah.
to love him, man,
Uh-huh.
man. It ain't enough to say about him, man.
Get to a hibachi party with Chef Quail. Chat, you already know the deal, bro. All right, what's the deal, y'all? It's your boy Chef Quail. We are outside. Hibachi that, man. Always hibachi that. This is a new vlog, y'all. Y'all make sure y'all like the video, share the video, comment, and subscribe, bro. This the drip right here. Happy birthday, OG. Yes, sir. What's up to the vlog? I see the drip. I see the drip, Beyonce. I'm get up with y'all. All right, Chad, we tapping in. We right in the field, y'all. We outside. Here go the DJ right here, man. Shut
Yo, man, DJ Starfall checking in, man.
Yeah.
Here with the best in the land, man.
Period.
Yeah.
Yeah.
He gonna let you tell you the
Yes,
rules.
sir. Play it, man. Stop playing. They got a nice setup going on, bruh. They got a cool setup. OG turning 60. 60. See, I like the video, share, and subscribe, bruh. We right here in Lakewood, California. We finna do what it do. We finna knock it out. We got
You took your garlic butter out already?
Yeah, I took it. Let me get these lemons. That deal, y'all. It's your boy Chef Quail. We are out here in Lakewood, California. Y'all may tap in. Get to a hibachi party with Chef Quail. Know the deal, bro. We are in my natural habitat. Where my tools at? I'll show y'all something. Y'all make sure y'all hit the link. The birthday man right there.
Over there.
Oh. Yeah, we right here chilling, y'all. We having a good time. We finna tear it up. We finna do our thing. Chef Quail's outside. I said my name how many times?
Exactly.
Yeah, let me show y'all something.
Just getting the grills together.
We gotta season the grill, chat. Come on,
You
chat.
just know this from the TikTok. I'm ready to go and we ain't even started.
Remember the last video we said we whooped before we even started? This is what we mean.
said what?
We whooped before we even started. How many mimosas did we have? Oh yeah, chat, this the new cap right here. Check it out. This the Chef Quail hibachi issue, you feel me? So I'm finna go back here and do what it do. It's raining, chat, huh?
They had all the different things of what's going on the year he was born. It says it was Star Trek, the Andy Griffith Show, Lucy, Bewitched, Beverly Hillbillies, things they used to say, Can You Dig It? Groovy, Fox, Right On. Fashion trends was Go Boots, whatever those are.
Go Boots.
Go Boots, yeah. Mini skirts and gold and bold prints. Oh, Chanel number 5. Sorry, y'all.
Yeah, she can't read, chat.
The next video we gonna show y'all how we gonna read out loud. Yeah, y'all gonna hear how he read out loud. Remember the kids who have to read out?
Gonna find something to read right now. Public assist.
We did.
What?
Read that.
How do you discipline? Are your children disciplined in the same way?
It doesn't say in.
Or is... Chat, this the new hat right here, y'all. This the new drip. You see it say Chef Quail right here. And you see it say Hibachi King right here.
That hat. How many times?
This the vlog. This is a new vlog. I ain't show the vlog yet.
Did you show them the decorations? This is cute.
Nah, I ain't showing.
The entrance.
I'm finna show you the entrance. Look. Walking in. OG Charlie 60th hibachi dinner. Finna turn it up. 86 per person. With the steak and shrimp. Where Chef Quail name at though, that's the only thing. Welcome to Charles' 60th birthday celebration. The man, the myth, the legend. Charles must be a player then. What's up, my boy? You wanna say anything to the vlog, bro?
Happy birthday to my pops, man.
Yeah.
To know him,
yeah.
to love him, man. Man. It ain't enough to say about him, man. Hey,
I
Rob.
see you got them waves in there, boy.
Rob, holla at me. Mr.
say-
Selfless, Mr. Important, man.
Yeah.
Like, just
With a body,
special soul.
Yeah.
I'm gonna sum it up in one word, bro.
All right.
He'll get
Love
lost for
everybody.
words. He'll get lost for
Love his
words.
family.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's real.
Okay, 1, 2, 3. Raquel, you want to get a picture with him? You want to get a picture with him? There you go.
So how y'all doing? My name's Chef Quail. Thank you guys for having me. I've been doing hibachi since 10:30 this morning. Good luck. All right. A heart. Everybody agree with that, right? No, y'all, it's a booty. Right down, Tatiana. Hey. No, man. Huh? They trying to get me there, and we gonna take it there too.
Don't get
we
like
gonna take it
Big
there,
Mama
Tat.
Party. Don't get like Big Mama Party.
Hold up, I'm gonna have to take this home, man.
You ready?
Yeah, it's ready. Come on. Hey, we don't fuck around.
No, I think if you continue it from a video.
Chat, did that, done that. I ain't gonna lie, they low-key got me wasted.
Exactly. No, you got yourself wasted.
I didn't get myself, they was offering me shots.
And you were offered?
They was offering me shots.
Offer or force?
They was offering me shots.
Am I wasted? Did I take any shots, Chat?
Why you not no shots in?
I didn't want shots.
They did me wrong, Ted. No, I'm playing, they did me right. As y'all can see, I got the Chef Quail drip on already. Then it was hot. It's rainy, a rainy day, but I was sweating. How the fuck that work?
Look, I got a good video of the food too.
Did you? They vibed out right now, y'all.
Videos of nobody getting their food?
Yeah, I got one person.
He's scared, Chat.
Scared, bro. I don't want to. What do they be like? That shit nasty, nigga. I ain't doing all that. But Chad, we got this nice little Thug Passions. We right here waiting for this to cool down. Then we out of here, bro. Once that cool down, bro. I met some cool people today, though. But they said send them a text message